Today I will talk about one such tool which is very useful, NGrok. It is a cross-platform application, which enables most of the developers to expose or display on the internet a local server for their development with minimum effort. This software makes your locally hosted web server to be hosted on a subdomain of www.ngrok.com, which means no public IP or domain name is required on the local machine. Similar functionality can be achieved with reverse SSH tunneling, but it requires more setup as well as hosting your own remote server. NGrok, on the local machine www.nrgxx is able to bypass the restriction of NAT mapping and firewalls by creating a long-lived TCP tunneling from an interactively generated subdomain at ngrok.com. After specifying the port that your web server listens on, the NGrok client program initiates a secure connection to the NGrok server, and anyone can then make requests to your local server with the unique NGrok tunnel address. Now I will tell you how to install NGrok in Termux, so watch video carefully.